Hi, hello and welcome to another session on data communications and networks. In today's session, we'll see the services that are provided by a link layer. So let's get started. So the basic service of a link layer is to move a datagram from one host to the other host. We have already seen what is a datagram in the previous class. So datagram, it is a message which contains the data that is sent from one location to the other location. Also, datagram is a combination of two words, that is data plus telegram. So the services offered by a link layer are, we'll see some of the services here now. The first one is the framing. The second is the link access. The third one is the reliable delivery. And the fourth is the error detection and correction. So these are the services provided by a link layer. We'll see the first one, which is the framing. So a frame, it consists of a data field in which the datagram is inserted. Along with the datagram, some header fields are also inserted. So this is the meaning of framing. Suppose we have the set of we have a data or the datagram. So along with this datagram, some header field is also inserted. So this is known as framing. So in the framing, we add the header. Along with both of these two, the destination address and the source address is also to be included. So this complete set of information, we call it as the one complete frame. So we'll see the second characteristic, that is the link access. So medium access protocol, we call it as MAC. This protocol, it specifies the rules by which a frame is transmitted onto the link. If you are using point-to-point links, we have a single sender and a single receiver. So in such case, if you have a single sender and a single receiver, in this case, the MAC protocol is very simple. So here this is the MAC protocol. So in such cases, the sender can send a frame to the receiver whenever the link is idle. So the third characteristic is the reliable delivery. So this reliable delivery service, we call it as reliable whenever network layer datagram is moved across the link without any error. So this is the sender and this side we have the receiver. Whenever any datagram is moved between the sender and the receiver across this link without any error, we call it as reliable delivery. So this is possible with acknowledgements and retransmissions. So whenever a datagram is transmitted to the receiver, if there is presence of any error, the receiver will be able to detect the error and it will again ask the sender to retransmit the datagram once again. So this is known as reliable delivery. We have the next characteristic, which is the error detection and correction. So the link layer hardware in a receiving node, it can decide incorrectly that a bit is 0 when it was transmitted as a 1, or it may consider a bit as a 1 when a 0 was transmitted. Such errors are introduced by signal attenuation and the presence of noise in the channel. Hence, the transmitting nodes include error detection bits in the frames, and the receiver nodes perform the error check, and they also correct the errors which are present in the data. So this is all about error detection and correction. Now we'll see where the link layer is implemented. Where is the link layer implemented? So the link layer is implemented in a network adapter. We call it as the network interface card. So NIC is short form for network interface card. So this network interface card, it has a link layer controller, which is a special purpose chip. So this chip implements the link layer services such as framing, link access, reliable delivery, and the error detection and correction. So these are all the characteristics which we have seen, or the services provided by a link layer. So this network interface card, it is a special purpose chip which implements the link layer services which we have seen earlier, that is the framing, the link access, reliable delivery, and the error detection and correction. So at the sending end, this controller, it will take a datagram. The datagram is taken by the controller. It encapsulates the datagram in a link layer frame. So we have already seen what is the frame. Along with the datagram, a header is also included. So along with this, the sender's address and the receiver's address and the trailer also has to be included. So this complete set of information, we call it as a frame. So this is done by the controller at the sending end. Now after making it in a form of a frame, this is transmitted onto the communication link. Now at the receiving end, what happens? Another controller will be there. This controller, it will receive the same frame. It will extract the datagram from the complete frame. So it will remove the header and all other things, and only the required data message, which is the datagram, will be extracted by the controller which is present in the receiver. Now the sending controller, it sets the error detection bits in the frame header, and the receiver controller, it performs the error detection. So at the sending end, the controller at the sending end, it will set the error detection bits. These error detection bits are set in the header frame. Then at the receiver, the controller which is present in the receiver, it will perform the error detection, and after detecting the errors, it will also correct the errors. So most of the link layer is implemented in the hardware, but part of the link layer is implemented in the software also that runs on the host CPU. The software components of the link layer implement the software components in the link layer, they implement the assembling the link layer addressing information, and also along with this it also activates the controller hardware. So these are the operations performed by the software components of the link layer. So these are the things which are performed at the sending end. Now at the receiving side, what happens? The software present at the receiving side, it responds to the, so this is the operation of the software at the receiving side. So what does this do? It will respond to the controller interrupts, it handles the error conditions, and it passes, after detecting and correcting the errors, it passes the datagram up to the next layer, which is the network layer. So these are some of the services offered by the link layer. First one is the framing, then we have the link access, then reliable delivery, and finally the error detection and correction. So error detection is done along at the sending end by adding the error detecting bits along with the header frame, and the software which is present at the receiving side, it will detect the errors. Along with detecting the errors, it also corrects the errors, and after correcting the errors, the datagram is passed to the next layer, which is the network layer. So these are the services which are provided by the link layer. So that's all in this session. I hope I am clear. Thank you.